Hi, it's Monique here. I am on site at Dairy Flat School. One of the things I do is I work as an MC, if you didn't know that as well. And today I'm doing a fundraiser to help my very dear friend Chef Kevin Blakeman, whose son goes to this school, and they're raising much needed funds to get a new school hall, which will not just benefit the students of today and in the future, but it'll also benefit the wider community as well. So today I'm going to show you a little bit of behind the scenes of what I do as an MC. So the first thing I have to do is familiarise myself with all the silent auction prizes. And I know a lot of you guys are often asking me all the time, what are you wearing for this event? What are you doing? Today I'm wearing a Charlie Brown dress, which I got from my friend Coral from I Love Labels in the Kapiti Coast. So here you go, classic shift dress today. And as always, if you are going bare-legged like I'm going today, because it's been quite hot and humid, one of the things I've learned to make your legs look longer is wear nude shoes and makes your legs look better. So there you go. So that's what's kind of going on. Hair and makeup, all my own. Grew them myself, did them myself. And now we're just waiting for everybody to turn up and experience a fabulous high tea from my multi-award-winning chef friend, Kevin Blakeman. So there you go. That's a little bit of behind the scenes of what I'm doing today. She's the organiser of the event. Hi, how are you feeling?
I'm excited. I'm glad that the day's here and everyone looks amazing, and yeah.
It's really, truly amazing. So much great fashion. Love the fascinators, love the hats. What kind of prompted you to do this for a fundraiser?
Well, I guess we're really lucky to have such a fantastic hall, and this was built back in the 70s, 80s, and she's a bit tired. And with lots of functions happening in this hall and sporting activities that we just felt like she needs a bit of spruce up. So I'd been to a high tea fundraiser before at another school, and I thought, hey, let's do it. Every lady loves to get dressed up and have a high tea.
That's so true. And how often do we make the time to do it? We never do, right?
Yeah,
so what a wonderful dual purpose. It's about celebrating us and celebrating the new look and feel of the hall. Well done.
Right. Yeah,
Thank you. You literally raise thousands and thousands.
We do as well.
So there you go. That's an inside piece of information from one of the organisers. huge day. I'm so excited to see literally thousands and thousands of dollars raised for Dairy Flat School to do a refurb of this amazing school hall, which will benefit the kids and the community. That's how I roll. All right, see you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.